Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on navigating the world of digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BNB from Uphold to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your BNB tokens seamlessly between exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is quicker than you might think, but always remember to double-check everything for security reasons. Crypto waits for no one. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Kraken, and that you've verified your identity on each platform. It's 2025, so expect enhanced security features like two-factor authentication to be mandatory. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, head over to your wallet section and select BNB from your asset list. You'll see an option to withdraw. Click that to get started. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Copy your Kraken wallet address directly from the Kraken app or website to avoid any typos that could send your BNB into the void. Make sure to select the correct network. BNB is typically on the BNB Smart Chain, so double-check that matches on both ends to prevent failed transactions. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Uphold might show you any applicable fees up front, so keep an eye on that to ensure you're not surprised. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to approve the transaction via email or your authenticator app. Once that's done, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Over on Kraken, keep an eye on your account to confirm the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your BNB should appear in your Kraken wallet. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure, and never withdraw more than you're comfortable losing due to potential risks like blockchain fees or exchange delays. There you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Uphold to Kraken in 2025. It's all about being precise and patient. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.